Good morning, sandwich fans. We're starting early today to make ourselves a Pan Bagnat. We gotta make this and then let it sit, because Pan Bagnat means wet or bathed bread. So we gotta let it all soak in. Let's make it this morning. I even bought some nice tuna, some anchovy, a pepper, a tomato, and hard-boiled egg, some chopped up red onion, some olives, and some olive oil vinegar mustard to make our dressing. And these calabrese rolls, which are apparently close enough. First, we'll whisk up a bit of dressing here. Then we'll open our bun, and I hate to do it, but I scooped out a bit. Then bottom half, thin slices of red pepper and onion, and some tomato, and drizzle a bit of your dressing over that. Then we flake on some of our fancy tuna, add some pitted Kalamata olives, and a couple slices of anchovy, and some slices of hard-boiled egg. Spoon the rest of your dressing over your top piece of bread, drizzle with a bit of olive oil, combine, wrap in parchment and squeeze a bit, put it in the fridge till lunch. That's the oldest's birthday cake. It's 11 now, so we'll let it come to room temperature. Open at noon. Oh, it feels soaked and heavy. Oh man, that's good. Sandwich Dad, good day.